Can allergies cause coughing in cats? Have you ever noticed your cat coughing and wondered what could be causing it? One possible reason could be allergies. Yes, allergies can indeed cause coughing in cats. When a cat encounters environmental allergens like pollen, dust, smoke, or strong perfumes, it can lead to inflammation in their airways. This inflammation narrows the air passages, making it difficult for the cat to breathe and triggering a cough that is often dry and persistent. Cats with allergies may also show other respiratory symptoms. These can include wheezing or labored breathing, especially if they have underlying conditions like feline asthma. When a cat's immune system overreacts to these harmless substances, it causes irritation and inflammation in the respiratory tract. This is why some cats cough more frequently when they come into contact with specific triggers. It is essential to distinguish between coughing caused by allergies and coughing due to other issues like infections or asthma. Feline asthma is a chronic condition that can be aggravated by allergies. This condition often leads to coughing accompanied by wheezing and difficulty breathing. To get to the bottom of the issue, a veterinarian will review the cat's history and symptoms. They may also perform diagnostic tests to identify allergies or other potential causes. Managing a cat's allergic cough can involve practical steps. Reducing exposure to known allergens is key. This means avoiding smoking indoors, keeping dust to a minimum, and using unscented cleaning products. In some cases, a veterinarian may recommend anti-inflammatory medications like corticosteroids or bronchodilators. These can help control airway inflammation and ease coughing. In summary, allergies are a recognized cause of coughing in cats due to airway irritation and inflammation. A proper veterinary evaluation is vital to confirm allergies as the cause and to rule out other respiratory conditions that may need different treatments. If your cat is coughing, it is always best to consult your veterinarian to ensure they receive the appropriate care.